Hi, look at these beautiful chick chicks. They got their own coop, but still, they like to hang out here in the doghouse. They're so sweet, chick chicks. Open your heart to getting some chickens. You could adopt one maybe at your local shelter, and you too could have a happy time with your chick chicks. Look how beautiful. Little chick chicks. I've had them since they've been 2 days old. Whoa! Hey, be nice to her. Maybe I'll put another bowl in there. How about that? That would be a good idea. We need to share. We need that sharing, chick chicks. Hey, beautiful chick chick. The red one likes to sleep in the house. She's the friendliest. She's very sweet. These two like to sleep on top of the tree. Have a beautiful day. Bye.